Hi, Dan from QuikTap, and today we're going to be taking a look into the QuikTap On Premise Cocktail on Tap Kit. Inside your kit box, you will find one 2.5 gallon stainless steel Cornelius style keg. You'll also find a 12 pack of 74 gram beverage grade single-use CO2 cylinders. And we also have a 0 to 30 psi brass regulator assembly, which works with both CO2 and nitrogen single-use cylinders. A faucet assembly with a 304 stainless steel self-closing faucet. And lastly, you'll find a maintenance kit, which includes one heavy-duty faucet brush, O-ring replacement kit, food-safe O-ring lubricant, sanitizer, and powdered beer wash tablets. Everything you need to keep your equipment clean, sanitized, and functioning properly. Check out full-length cleaning videos as well as FAQs, pro tips, and safety information at QuikTap.com/get started. Now that we've seen what comes inside the kit box, let's take a closer look at the 2.5 gallon stainless steel Cornelius style keg, which comes with an upgrade option to add a customized full color wrap to promote brand awareness. Using your maintenance kit, we highly suggest cleaning and sanitizing your unit prior to any use. To open the top lid of your Cornelius style keg, we first need to make sure there is no pressure inside the keg. To do this, we are going to pull up on the PRV or pressure relief valve located at the top of the lid cover. You will not be able to remove the lid if there is any pressure inside the keg. Remove the top lid by releasing the top handle, turning it, and pulling it up and out of the keg. We recommend batching your cocktail between 2 and 2.25 gallons or between 256 and 288 ounces, making sure not to fill past the 2.25 gallons volume. The reason for this is to help protect against backflow into the regulator. Do not overfill the keg. Again, batch size between 2 and 2.25 gallons is recommended best practice. Now let's pour your cocktail ingredients inside the keg. Be sure to strain any ingredients that have seeds, pulp, or impediments that could clog the unit. Using thick mixes is not advised. Shut and secure the lid, and then shake vigorously to mix your cocktail without the faucet and regulator assemblies attached. Now your cocktail is in your keg and you're ready to dispense. Take a 74 gram CO2 cylinder and the regulator assembly from your on-premise kit. Turn your regulator counterclockwise to the off position. Screw in the CO2 cylinder into the regulator until it is fully seated. Do not cross thread. Be sure to do it swiftly so you don't let any gas leak out. The beverage grade 74 gram CO2 cylinder is used to fill the headspace and push the beverage out of the keg. Depending on many variables, including ambient air temperature, pouring PSI, or headspace in the keg to name a few, each 74 gram cylinder on average can dispense two 2.5 gallon kegs. This CO2 also acts as a natural preservative, helping extend the shelf life of natural ingredients. Now we're going to attach the regulator assembly to the in post by pulling up on the collar and pushing straight down on the disconnect firmly until you hear the click. This is designed to be a tight fit. Helpful reminder, gray is gas and gas goes in. Now, turn the regulator knob clockwise to the desired pouring pressure. Most cocktails are dispensed at 4 to 6 psi. You'll hear the gas pressurizing the keg. If you overpressurize the keg, turn the regulator down and simply pull up on the pressure relief valve to rid the keg of excess gas. If you decrease the pressure on the regulator and you hear gas hissing from the back of the regulator, that hissing that you're experiencing is the regulator working to regulate the pressure inside the keg. If you're planning on serving highly carbonated beverages, you will want to choose the Perlick flow control faucet type in the drop-down menu. The flow control faucet will allow you to keep a higher pressure inside the keg, holding carbonation, while at the same time dispensing at a slower rate. If you try dispensing above the 10 psi mark, the cocktail will come out of the faucet at an undesirable volume. Trust me on this. You'll also want to purge the oxygen out of the headspace of your keg. You can do this by simply pulling up on the PRV and holding it open 2 to 3 seconds. Retrieve your stainless steel self-closing faucet assembly. Inside the bubble bag, there is a black faucet handle. Screw this onto the faucet. Just like you did with the regulator assembly, pull up on the black disconnect collar and install the faucet assembly on the out poppet, pressing straight down firmly until you hear the click. Helpful reminder, black is booze and booze goes out. Now you're locked and loaded and ready to pour. Don't forget to check out QuikTap.com/get started for all the FAQs and pro tips. So grab a cup, fill it with ice, pull the faucet forward, and get the cocktails pouring. This is QuikTap. Cheers.